Do you ever wonder how they did glass fusion, like in the pioneer days, in the old days?
Glass fusion? I think they would dig a hole, throw the glass in there, and then we can put the fire over to heat it up.
That makes sense.
That's probably how they did it.
I wish we had some glass here to give it a shot.
We do. Should we do this?
Give it a try. Let me know where you want me to dig a hole. I'll help you out if you want.
Might as well do something fun when we're winter camping.
Let's do it.
Okay.
So, do you want me to go up there and dig a hole? Like, let me know how far you want me to go. Right here? Right here?
Yeah, go out a ways.
Here?
Go out some more.
Here?
Maybe. Start digging. Oh, a little further, even better.
Man, I wish we wouldn't have to walk that far to dig this hole. Is this where you want it? This is where I started. Okay, digging away. Let me keep digging it, okay? Oh, I can't believe they do this much work to fuse glass. How far down do I gotta go?
That's good. All right, so put the glass in the hole.
Are you serious? Just put it in randomly.
Let's give it a shot.
So it's just blue and yellow. It's all I had.
Blue, yellow. Those are
All right.
good colors.
Just
Those...
put it in.
Yeah. Perfect. Oh, now we need some fire.
Got some over there. I'm gonna go get it.
Perfect.
All
Okay,
right.
Phil, now we need some heat to make this work.
Well, I'm gonna use some cheaters here. Okay.
Cheaters. All right.
So how long does it have to stay?
Well, you're melting glass, so it should take a little while.
All right.
Maybe 20 minutes, I don't
See if
know.
I can get this thing going. Okay.
Nice.
Now we wait, right?
Yep.
Okay. Excellent.
We'll see what happens.
This
We'll
ought to
come
be
back, I don't
interesting.
know, 5-10 minutes, and we'll see if we got anything.
Okay.
All right. Okay, let's go see
See.
what we got.
Let me dig it up a little bit.
Did you get anything? I don't think so.
You gotta be kidding me. Hang on a second.
What's in there?
The blue and the yellow glass we put in?
Yup. A spoon rest.
And probably because it was with the white snow.
Oh,
That's amazing.
A beautiful vase.
That's how they did it in the old days. Whoa!
What
Whoa.
else is there?
Whoa!
Alchemy wine.
This is incredible.
That's for later.
I think I like this job.
Fused glass is pretty cool.
That was a lot of fun. I don't think they really did it that way back then. Do you?
No, we had a lot of fun with you guys. This is not how you do fused glass.
So where could somebody go if they wanted to really do some cool projects?
Well, these were done at Alchemy Art Studio in Stillwater, Minnesota. You can come and take a class there, or look on our website and get online video classes and learn at the comfort of your own home. And it's a lot of fun, and you can do really cool things.
Great job. See you guys.
Bye.
Okay, that was kind of interesting. Ignoring all the glass stuff, I want to know how to make wine in a snowbank.
We could probably do that.
Who's the guy beside you that never says anything?
He's our master whittler.
Whittler man.